Okay, so I woke up kind of late, not late to my appointments, but not enough time to make a video. I just finished my appointments. I'm in a parking lot right now and it's kind of busy, so don't mind me if I'm looking around like sketch. So I saw the psychiatrist, I saw a dietitian, and I got my stuff for my sleep study at home. So the psychiatrist, it went pretty well. Asked kind of like basic questions as far as like medical history and all of that. He was saying that for my insurance, he had to ask me certain questions. So next time I go in, next month, I will be doing what they normally do, which is I guess like a questionnaire thing that I fill out. So I'm kind of hopeful. He was really nice. I really liked him. And then I had the appointment with the dietitian. She just kind of gave me a rundown. I didn't really have any questions because this is all new for me. And then the sleep study lady, I just grabbed the equipment and I have the weekend, choose a day to put all of this stuff on me and sleep with it on and see if I have sleep apnea, which let's hope I don't. So that way I don't have to go an extra 30 days on some type of equipment, the CPAP machine. I don't know. I have a feeling I might have it. I keep asking Jody if I stop like breathing while I sleep. But I guess he doesn't watch me romantically while I sleep like they do in movies. She did. No, but yeah. So today's stuff went down pretty well, and we'll see how this goes. I know I look a hot mess, but it's okay. I'm alright, guys. I promise I'm at home. I am doing an at-home sleep study. So we're checking to see if I have sleep apnea, which I hope I don't. I did do this yesterday night, but I didn't sleep very long. So since I had it over the weekend, the lady did tell me I could do it more than one time if I didn't feel like the first one worked out too well. So I'm taking her advice and I'm going to do it again. I turn it in tomorrow. After I get off work, I'll be taking it back up there so they can see what they find out from the recordings. So let's hope I don't have it. I hope I don't. So that way I don't have to go through 30 days of being on a CPAP machine. But we'll find out. If I have to, I have to.